Hi, what's up guys? Welcome to Young Family in our YouTube channel. Today is February 23rd, 2022. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to prune a citrus tree in the late winter or early spring. Stay tuned. This is the citrus tree I'm going to prune today. So basically, there's several reasons I have to prune this citrus tree. First, take a look at this citrus tree. You will find this citrus tree is really big. A lot of new leaf grows. Actually, it's kind of too dense. If you take a look at this side, you will find a lot of branches right here. You see, a lot of branches. So if we just stand under this citrus tree and look up, you can find a lot of branches and leaves. The crown of this citrus tree is really big. Actually, this is closed canopy. It is not open canopy. I want this citrus tree is open canopy, so the sunlight can go inside and increase airflow inside. Even though this citrus tree is big, but unfortunately, this big citrus tree is not a productive part. Actually, the productive part is just right here. So let me show you. Take a look at this small branch. Actually, this small branch is kind of grow from at the base of this trunk. Actually, this is not sucker. Later, I'm going to explain to you. This is active part. It's a productive part. So take a look at this branch. You can see blooms right here. Some blooms, even though it's very tiny, but it is almost going to bloom. So basically at the beginning, I had thought this is a sucker. Actually, this is not sucker. This is sign. Actually, if you check right here, this is graft junction or graft union. This is rootstock. Unfortunately, this rootstock overtook this sign or just grafted lemon tree, and you can see right now this rootstock have grown to a big citrus tree. So basically, kind of this citrus tree is useless because it cannot produce any blooms or fruits. So that's why this citrus tree took a lot water, energy, and nutrients from this productive part. The third reason, I'm going to use this citrus tree as a stock. So basically, I'm going to use some branches from different species or variety of citrus tree and graft it on some branches. As you can see here, I already grafted some branches on this citrus tree. So that's why I don't want all these branches take so many nutrients from these grafted branches. For this citrus tree, I have a bunch of videos especially talking about it. If you are interested, you can click the link down below in the description part. Then, when will be the best time to prune a citrus tree? So basically, I think the time after pick the fruits from the citrus tree until the next year, this citrus tree began to bloom. During this time period, it will be the best time to prune a citrus tree. Basically, for some fruit trees, it is kind of a dormant season. During that time period, most of the citrus tree will grow very slowly. It's kind of like a rest time period. It will be the best time to prune the citrus tree. Before we get started, I need some protection because the citrus tree has very long and sharp thorns. So basically, I need gloves, goggles, and also I wear a long sleeve jacket to protect my arms and hands. So basically here you can see I have some pruners and different kinds of saws, and even include this one. This is chainsaw for big branches. So let's get started. We have to remove dead, broken, or damaged or diseased branches. For dead branches, you can see here it's brown color, no leaves on it, so we have to remove it. Here you can see some other. It's dead branches. And right here. to remove it. If you check out right here, this branch is damaged. You can see here it's damaged. So I'm going to cut it. Fortunately, on this citrus tree, I cannot find any diseased branches. We have to remove suckers or water sprouts. Suckers are branches or shoots which grow from the base of the trunk or the roots. If you check out right here, you can see this one is a sucker, even though it is dead. And right here, there's another sucker. It is also dead. And also you can check out this big branch. Actually, you can think this is also a sucker because it grows kind of from the base of the trunk. So I'm going to remove it. Water sprouts are some branches which erupt from old branches. You can check out right here. This is water sprouts, water sprout, and water sprout. And check out right here. You can see this branch is water sprout. And right here, water sprout. So I'm going to remove it. I have to remove crossing branches. Check out right here. This branch all the way going this way. So it's crossed with some other branches. And here, this is another crossing branch. And check out right here. This branch is also crossing. You see the big branch right here. So I'm going to remove it. Crossing branch. And here, crossing branch. And right here. I have to remove going inside the branches. So you can check out right here. This branch is going inside of this citrus tree. So I'm going to remove it. I have to remove vertical growing branch, such as this branch. It grow upright and crossed with some other branches. So I'm going to remove it. I have to remove parallel branches, such as here. You can see this branch, this branch, this branch, and this branch. All the branches go in the same directions and parallel to each other. So I'm going to remove small branches. I have to remove high and low branch, such as this branch. You can see here. Actually, this branch is kind of from the base of the trunk I just mentioned. And you can check out this branch. It's right here. Almost reached ground. So basically, it's really, really low. So I'm going to cut off this branch. I have to remove word branches. Check out right here. Around this big branch, you can see a lot of branch around this area. This one, this one, this one, and this one, and here. So basically, they're just around this big branch in different directions. So basically, I'm going to remove some branches. I have to remove stop. You can check out right here. This one, this one, and this one. And here, stop, and right here, you see here. So I'm going to remove it. I have to remove some weak or small branches. Here. And right here. So guys, if you like today's video and think today's video is helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Leave comments down below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.